Hi. Having dental implant is not something one does lightly, and I only had mine done as a consequence of having a cap come off and the remnants of the tooth being, I think, probably wrongly removed, and I'm finding that the remainder of my bottom teeth were becoming out of line. So I've gone down the road of implants. I was introduced to Dr. Arya by our former GP, and I have to say that I think he's very professional. They've got all the equipment here, so you don't have to go to Devonshire Street or any other place to have x-rays and all the other things. My implant is not really visible, so I didn't have it from any cosmetic point of view, but simply to stop the rest of my teeth all going out of line, which I now have another problem with, and I have to decide whether to have this Visalign thing, which is not cheap. None of these things are cheap. However, one's using one's teeth God knows how many times a day, eating whatever, and they need to work. So I've just completed today. I'm very happy with what's happened, and I would certainly recommend Dr. Arya to anybody else who's thinking of going down this road.